London homes are getting smarter, more stylish, and more connected to outdoor living. And one upgrade is leading that change more than any other: aluminium sliding doors. Benefits of aluminium sliding doors in London, and why thousands of homeowners across the city are making the switch right now. Sliding doors are built for London living. Unlike bifold or French doors that swing outward, sliding doors glide along a track using zero floor space. Whether you have a compact Hackney flat, a Victorian terrace in Brixton, or a modern extension in Richmond, sliding doors fit perfectly without eating into your indoor or outdoor space. Noise reduction. Living in London means traffic, sirens, neighbors, and busy streets. Aluminium sliding doors with double or triple glazing create a powerful acoustic barrier between you and the city outside. The difference is remarkable. One side chaos, the other side calm. Perfect for homes near busy roads, train lines, or tube stations. Built for British weather. Aluminium never warps, rots, swells, or corrodes. No matter how wet, cold, or windy London gets, and it gets very wet, very cold, and very windy, your sliding doors will hold their shape, their color, and their smooth operation for decades. And maintaining them? A simple wipe down is all it takes. Serious security. Modern aluminium sliding doors come fitted with multi-point locking systems and toughened safety glass as standard. Look for products meeting PAS 24, the British Enhanced Security Standard. At Durajoin, every sliding door we supply meets this standard, giving London homeowners complete peace of mind day and night. Stunning style. Aluminium sliding doors are available in virtually any RAL color. Anthracite gray and matte black are the most popular choices across London right now, giving homes a premium contemporary look that turns heads and adds real value to your property. Slim sightlines mean more glass, less frame, and a look that never dates. Return on investment. Aluminium sliding doors are consistently ranked among the highest return home improvements in the UK property market. They add immediate curb appeal, increase usable living space, and make your home significantly more attractive to future buyers. Durajoin, best quality doors and windows in UK. Ready to transform your London home with premium aluminium sliding doors? Get your free no-obligation quote today. Link is in the description. Tap it now.